Going psycho, lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the bolo.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. And before I start this video, I just wanted to let you know about a company named Firmoo. If you're curious about where I got these cute glasses from, I got them from the company Firmoo. Firmoo is a company that sells glasses. You're able to find cute and affordable glasses, whether you want prescription glasses, if you wear prescription glasses like me, if you want glasses for other reasons. You can truly customize your glasses for your own personal needs. These are prescription glasses. They're cute, they're lightweight, and I love how they fit and frame my face. I love it. Feeling myself a little bit. But yes, I love that Firmoo has certain things that you can add to your glasses. Like I said, you can put in your prescription if you know your own prescription for your eyeglasses. You can have prescription for your glasses. You can also add certain things that will help you, that will help your eyes. If you look at computer screens all day, they have certain options for that that will help you. And so I think that is very great, and they have a bunch of different options to choose from for men and women. If you are looking for some more glasses, or you're just looking for glasses in general, I would highly suggest that you check them out. And I want to say thank you to Firmoo for sending me these glasses and giving me the opportunity to review these glasses and to give my honest review. So thank you to Firmoo. And if you do decide that you want to go to Firmoo and check out their glasses, then I do believe that they gave me a coupon code. I'm not sure if it has a certain amount of time before it expires. I will have everything down in the description box below if you're interested. So I will have the link to the website, and then I will have the coupon code. Like I said, I'll have everything down in the description box. If you want to see how I got this eye look, then keep on watching, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with priming my eyes, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I can't see or remember the name of this, so I'll have everything down in the description box below exactly what I used. And I'm going into this Twilight and Dusk palette from Ucanbe, and I've been loving this palette. So the goal for this is I'm going for a very kind of cranberry smoky eye look. So I started off with a light brown eyeshadow, and I'm using that in the crease, and I'm just going to build up these colors. It's going to be really easy and really simple, I promise. And so next I'm going into more of a sandy, darkish orange brown kind of color, and I'm going right over that light brown color that I did. And this is going to help it to not be so harsh, and this is going to help me to be able to build up these colors, and it's just going to be so flawless by the time we finish blending this out. It's going to be all worth it, trust me. And now I'm going in with this kind of darker, more brown color, and I'm going over the two colors that I just did and a little bit lower. So each time that I go in with a new color, I'm bringing it down a little bit lower. And lastly, I'm going in with this kind of dark purple brown type of color, and I'm going under what I just blended, and I'm also blending that down onto the lid. And I use the same blending brush. I believe I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush, and I use the same brush for all of them, all eyeshadow shades. And yeah, very simple, very easy. And now I'm going in with this e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just lining the lash line. I'm not really going for a wing. I want the focus to be on the eyeshadow itself, so I'm mainly just keeping that liner on the lash line, and I did like a very small wing. And then I put on these lashes, and I'm just gonna warn you, I didn't know this, but I ran out of lash glue. So the eye that I did off camera, the lash is on there perfect, and as you could probably tell, especially right now, the lash that I put on off camera is not on to the best of its ability. So I ran out of lash glue, so I'm sorry, just try to ignore it. But I lined my waterline with the black eyeliner. I'll have the exact name in the description box below. And then I went in and put some shadow to smoke that out, and some mascara on the bottom lashes. And then I went in and put some primer on my on my eyelashes. I put some face primer on, and I'm going in with the e.l.f. correcting stick in the color orange just to correct, because I have a lot of acne scars on my face. And so I want to cover those up so my foundation looks flawless. So I'm just going to blend that out with a wet beauty sponge. And for foundation today, I'm mixing the Maybelline Superstay and the e.l.f. foundation. I find that the shade that I got in the Maybelline Superstay, I love the formula, but it's a little too dark. So mixing it with the e.l.f. foundation kind of tones it down a little bit, so I may have to switch colors in this Superstay. And now to highlight, I'm going back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to let that sit there and kind of soak in a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this Covergirl Queen Collection Pressed Powder in the color Medium Deep, I believe, and I'm just going to put that on the face to set the foundation. And then I'm going back in with that wet beauty sponge and blending out this highlighted areas. And I really went in with the concealer, so I don't know why, I was just feeling really glam today. And now I'm going in with this, I believe it was the NYX Set It and Don't Fret It powder, and I'm putting that where I put the highlighter. I'm sorry y'all, it's 1 in the morning, but I'm putting that powder where I put the concealer. And now I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution contour palette, and this is a cream palette, and I'm going in with the darkest shade. They don't have names on that palette, but I'm going in with the darkest shade, and then I'm blending up. You don't want to blend your contour down. I've always made the mistake of that in the past, which is why I never used to contour, but I'm slowly getting back into it. So I'm going to blend it up, and I'm blending this contour up into my hairline. Yes. And then I'm going through and I'm brushing that excess powder that I had baking on. And then I'm going in with some setting spray. Now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. highlighter. This is supposed to be like a naturally, I think it's called Natural Glow or something like that. It's supposed to be a natural highlight, but the more you build it up, the more intense it gets, as you could probably see, because I'm going to build it up here in a second. But I put it under my brow bone, on my cheekbones, a little bit on the side of my temple, on my nose, my cupid's bow. So I went in with the highlighter this time. And for the lips, I know these are Sigma lipsticks. I can't remember the exact names. Again, they'll be down in the description box below. But I put the darker shade on the outside and kind of used it to line my lips, and then I put the lighter one on the inside. Once I finished, I wasn't really feeling it by itself. I wanted some shine to it, so I went in with this gloss that I randomly found. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you guys are ready for the fall. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.